Hello everyone. We are looking at chapter vectors from phase 7 and we are currently at exercise 2, question number 4. Yeah, question number 4. Let's look at the question. Question is A, B, C, three vectors are given and the summation is 0 and we know the mod value of vector A, B, C. So all these three are given and we have to find the angle between A and B. We have to find the angle between A and B. So again, it's an easy question. As I see in the solution, they probably have used, I don't know, solution of triangle or something. Let's see how to solve this question. So, A plus B plus C is equal to 0. All right. Now, we have to find the angle between A and B. So, we have to manipulate this and take mod. Simple. Manipulate this and take mod. So, we have to find the angle between A and B. So, let us write this as this. And now we take mod both sides and square. So we take mod both sides and then we simply square. So what do we get? A square plus B square plus 2A A dot B or A B cos theta, where theta is the angle between A and B. And this side we get C dot C, which is nothing but C itself. So C square. So now let's put the values that we already have here. So this is 9 plus 25 plus 2 into 30 cos theta is equal to C square is 49. All right. So cos theta is equal to 49 minus 25 plus 9, 44 divided by, not 44, 34. 34 divided by 30. So 34 is 15. So this is 1 by. Now, cos theta is equal to, now what we have to always remember is that angle between the two vectors is how they're aligned. If they are co-initial and this is the angle, but if the vectors have been aligned like this, so angle between the two vectors can be this or 180 minus theta. So the angle between, so theta can be 30 degrees. So angle between the vector is 30 degree or it can be 150 degree, 180 minus theta. So answer is B here. It will depend on the situation. So if angle between the vectors, if no figure or nothing, then angle between the vectors, we can go ahead and write 30 degree. Thank you.